So we're turning right, she mentioned. Check my mirror, signal right.
Turn right, then go right on the roundabout and take the third exit.
So she's giving me two instructions, turning right here first, and then we're turning right at the roundabout, third exit. So be careful at this junction because I can't see on my left hand side and there's a car coming. It is a little blind on the left. The right hand side is a little bit more clearer, but there's still a car parked there. And in front of me there's a giveaway. The blue car and the black car. So the blue car is going left, I can tell by the positioning. The black car is going left. I'm checking right. There's a car coming on my right, a car coming on my left. A grey car just going to make a right turn in front of me. And I should be able to go after this grey car, and I'm going to go after the grey car, and the car's coming on my left, so I'm just building up my speed because when I moved off it was clear, and then she came around the corner. And I've left enough space between myself and the car behind me.